Hey everybody, so I got a quick video from a couple Home Depots, big large haul. I'll explain a little more in the video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, how's it going? Alright, so this is going to be just a quick video. I'm going to be doing these separately. Alright, so I have the older model of this HDX. The older model is a 1,000 watt halogen work light with tripod. They changed it. It's now a 1,200 watt, which means it's got two 600 watt halogen bulbs, which is kind of aggravating. Let me know if you guys have been a little frustrated with this as well. You can't find the 600 watt bulbs at all. But the 1,000 watt one I've had for several years, never had any issue with it other than I left it outside and it faded. It's now kind of a dreamsicle orange color instead of a dark, bright, vibrant orange. It says two 600 watt halogen bulbs included, 5-foot outdoor rated ground power cord, tripod base and fixture extends up to 70 inches. Let me know if you guys have bought this, and maybe you guys know where I can find the 600 watt bulbs. That would be helpful. But these are these are actually three different purchases. So these two guys, I did the buy more save more, and so I bought these two right here. So I bought the 7 1/4 rear handle circular saw, the Milwaukee M18 fuel, and the 1/2 inch whole hog right angle drill. The right angle drill is 2807-20, and the 7 1/4 rear handle circular saw is 2830-20, and the buy more save more, if you spend $4.99 plus you get $150 off. So these two equaled like $5.80, I believe. Let's see, is it on this receipt? No, it is not. Those are Diablo blades. I got several receipts here. Let's see if I can find it real quick. It's right here. So the 7 1/4 circular saw is $269, and the AM18 fuel gen 1/2 inch whole hog is $279. You end up getting the max refund value of the 7 1/4 inch circular saw is $195.37. And what I will do is I will, in this video, I'll put the receipts so you guys can actually see the receipts to what they actually came out to be. So $195.37 for the circular saw, and $202.63 for the whole hog is what's refund value. $548 instant volume savings. You must return all items for a full refund, but it minus $150. So these two tools out the door was $398, so $398 plus $33 in tax, so it was $431.03. And then these three I also bought right here with the buy more save more. So the M12 fuel oscillating multi-tool, which is 2526-20. The M18 fuel oscillating tool, multi-tool, which is 2836-20. The 2 is slightly crimpled in. It's 2836-20. So 2526-20 is the M12. And then I bought the old style, it's been out a while, the Milwaukee fuel M18 Hackzall it's 2719-20. And these three tools right here are, let's see, which receipt is it? Looks like a receipt is missing. Maybe it's this one. No, it's not this one. Yeah, the last video I forgot to show that receipt. 1997, 297, 996, 797, 3594. That's for the rafter squares, the pocket caliper, precision pencil, and everything else. Diablo blades and everything, 57. So the receipt, I'm gonna have to look up the digital receipt because obviously the physical paper receipt's missing. This one right here. So the Milwaukee M12 12-volt fuel multi-tool, the M18 fuel Hackzall, and the the M18 fuel multi-tool. So the M18, this guy right here, multi-tool, it's $165 item total instead of the $229. The Hackzall was $114.59 instead of the $179, and the M12 fuel multi-tool was $107 instead of $149. So these are a little easier for you guys to see. So the total was $420.09 with the tax. And I'll show you the receipt for these two right here while we're at it, because the digital receipt's easier for you guys to see. So the M18 fuel half-inch whole hog was $202.63 instead of the $279, and the Milwaukee M18 fuel 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw bare tool was $195.37 instead of $269. So it came out to $431.03. So $431 and $420.09. So that's $800, $820. It's $850, and I saved $300 total. So that's not bad. This is about almost $1,300 right here. And this was $39.99. But just wanted to show you guys. We'll do separate videos on them, unbox them separately. And I also picked up these for my wife's garden, which is the rest of the drippers that we needed. So I rest for this project plus 2 extras. We bought 16 of these guys. We needed 14 more plus what I had, so I have 6 already. We needed 14, and then I grabbed 2 extras to start the new section that was just done for my wife's garden. So I'll show you guys that real quick, and I'll show you this light that's outside real quick too. So this is what my wife's garden looks like now. I'll just kind of pan across. If you guys have any questions, you can always leave comments about my wife's garden. I'll try my best. I'll probably ask my wife and ask her what she has over here. But these are where the drippers are going. I needed to buy more drippers for these white 3/4 PVC pipes that extensions I made, where I'm going to put 2 drippers on each. They're 8-way drippers. And this is what we just finished. We've been working on since Monday. It's now Wednesday for the last couple days. But there's a lot of flowers and roses in here. It's a little update on that. I'm waiting for the bricks. I had to custom order these 24-inch 2-foot red scallop edger bricks, as well as I had to custom order the 34-inch right angle corners as well. This light, I can always do an update on this light. This is the cheap $15 or whatever one from the Hyper Tough one from Walmart that I got, I don't know, 8 or so years ago. And the other HDX light that I was talking about at the beginning of this video is actually right here. So this is the 1000-watt model. And the way you can tell is the feet and all the plastic sections are black on this model, where on the newer model they're gray. And the other thing you can tell is the screws that tighten the pivot points are actually orange on the newer model, where this one is black. This is the 1000-watt model. The new one is a 1200-watt model, but let me know if you guys are frustrated with that as well, because I've gone into Home Depot. I contemplated on the 1200 model of this version stand for a while, and it works. I just put new bulbs in it. It does work, no issues. That one over there does work as well. But my main problem is that I contemplated getting the 1200-watt model because I wasn't sure if you can even find the bulbs, and this is this side, so this one does work. And I've even asked employees, and they're like, yeah, I don't know why we don't sell the bulbs. So you'll get 2 600-watt bulbs in the box, but you're going to end up downgrading it to this same model to 1000 watts, because all you can find is the 500-watt bulbs at Home Depot, even Walmart. You can find 150-watt bulbs, 300-watt bulbs, and 500-watt bulbs. So I'm not too sure why you can't find, you know, even Harbor Freight, all they sell is the 500-watt bulbs. And these are the ones from Walmart that I grabbed, which are 500-watt bulbs as well. So I'm not really sure why you can't find the 600-watt bulbs, but it does say 2 600-watt halogen bulbs right there. But you know, if you guys know where I can get those bulbs, please let me know. I do appreciate your guys' time. These are going to go in the project box where all the PVC stuff is, and we'll do separate videos on all of these items. Separate videos for each one. We'll unbox them, give information, specs, what they measure at, what they weigh, accordance to what they weigh when I put them on a scale, and everything else. I do appreciate your guys' time. Hope I didn't take up too much of your time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below, I also do have an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys click on that link, you can get 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. Acme Tools, Amazon, Ohio Power Tools, and DJI Electronics are all the affiliate links that I have at the moment. If there's anything that you guys in particular want, let me know. I can see what I can do about doing a video on it. If you guys already have this 1200 watt halogen model, let me know what you think. So on the picture, you know, the screws for the pivot in 360 around are gray. The screws to pivot up and down are orange. And it's just, instead of black, they're gray. They just changed a little bit. But let me know what you think of this. If you guys want me to do a review on the older model, the 1000 watt model, let me know. I've had it for, I think that one's going on about 7 years now. Might have been maybe a little less. I'm not too sure if I can remember. I'll have to look through my receipts at Home Depot app. But please like, comment, and subscribe as always. I picked up the saw blades that I showed in the previous video for this saw, as well as the DeWalt FlexVolt version. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!